Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to explore a very famous scent that is similar to Aventus. Some people call that this is very close to Aventus. It is Hacivat from Nishane. Nishane is a Turkish brand, Turkish perfume company, and this perfume is very famous. In the first try, when I tested its sample like 3, 4, 5 years ago, I didn't enjoy it a lot. So let's find out, does it still hold the same thoughts in my mind, or has it been changed? So let's spray it. Fresh herbal fruity kind of start. It is a bit different from Aventus. Aventus is very pineapple fruity. It is kind of green fruity. And it has more herbal or more green kind of fruitiness to it. Okay, so for me, I think it has some balsamic added to it, very uplifting, airy kind of feel. Yes, there is fruit, pineapple, but it has been more on the greener side, more of the herbal side. Yes, patchouli is there. Patchouli has a very kind of green, spicy kind of feel to it. It has some kind of medicinal feel. If you go to a herb store and you mostly get the smells of different herbs, and when they are mixed together, they are kind of very close to what actually patchouli smells. So it is sweet, herbal patchouli that has been mixed with fruits, and fruit is not very good as it is a pineapple. It is kind of sweet fruit that is closer to pineapple, but it doesn't seem to me pineapple over here. Very different in a little bit of different direction: green, herbal, spicy, fruity. This is, I think, the 4 words that are going to really tell the whole story of this perfume, Hacivat or Hacivat from Nishane. Overall, I think it is more calming effect, more calm and more relaxing than the Aventus, okay, Creed Aventus. I am enjoying it a lot right now. I think this one is a really nice perfume. I don't know that there are version differences or how well the performance is right now, but I think from the judging from this sample, I think it is going to perform easily 5 to 6 hours. This is a very good perfume. Still, I have sprayed like 3 sprays and it is still very strong. It hasn't vanished, or it is still, the presence is very strong. So for the scent profile, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Very nicely done, Nishane. Although most of the people, they are trying to copy the Creed Aventus, you went into a different direction. You get the inspiration from Creed Aventus, but this is totally different direction. It is like woody, green, fruity, a bit of herbal kind of feeling, uplifting, more calming effect. It has more like smooth kind of vibe to it. Like if you go try to apply Creed Aventus, it has a very kind of jolly kind of pineapple, but this one is a bit calming, it more relaxed, and it is, I think you can really wear this scent to the office daily. Okay, so the fruit scent, fruity is kind of candy kind of vibe over here, which I personally don't enjoy much. So this fruit, this pineapple is more on like pineapple candy. If you are chewing a candy or kids candy, you are a toffee. So, but still the patchouli and the herbs behind it, the herbal side is really nice. Nicely done. This is very, very nicely done, Nishane. 8 out of 10 for scent profile and longevity and performance. I would give it like 7 out of 10. I think it is going to perform really, really well. So this is my review about Nishane, Hacivat or Hacivat from Nishane. And if you like perfumes that are herbal, fruity, and they are a bit of calming effect, this is really for summers. I think you can use this one in winters too, because it has some herbal and patchouli kind of thing to it. So this is my review about Hacivat from Nishane. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you soon with another scent and we will explore together more scents. I try to simplify as much as I can just to show you guys how this actually smells. A lot of YouTubers, they try to complicate things like it has lang lang, it has patchouli, and the viewers, the watchers, they don't know what the patchouli is or how it actually smells. So you have to describe the smell. So this is what I try to do. Nicely done. So this is my review about this Nishane Hacivat. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.